Inside. I'm Lincoln, this is Dan, and today we have a chessboard that I don't really know what it does so far. By the way, we switched seats.
I don't think anybody's gonna notice. Every one of these pieces was hand carved, and this is a very unique chessboard like you've never seen before. But first, let's play.
Okay.
So, in order to play this game, it likes to keep track of what you're doing. It's a smart chessboard. Square Off. It's by a company called Square Off.
It's metal.
Is it metal? Nice. Lincoln is going to be these colors. I'm going to be these colors. Lincoln, how good am I at checkers? Chess. How good am I at chess?
Terrible.
Terrible. I don't even know how to say it right. I'm good at checkers. This is how you do it. First, you push down till it beeps, and then you lift it up and you put it on your spot and you push it down again.
Okay.
Okay, now I'll go.
Okay.
Let me think. Okay, your turn.
No! See, that's why you had it set up. Wow! Wow!
What?
Wow!
Did you see that though?
Yeah!
Go ahead, next move.
No, I don't want to do this.
Come on, next move. Look at this, a magic checkers board. Checkers. Chessboard.
This one's the queen, right?
So when it does delete somebody, it takes them off the board first, and then this moves up into the place afterward.
I need help.
So a little history on this. This Square Off chessboard, the magic chessboard, was something that was a Kickstarter just about 2 years ago, and now they're finally shipping out the boards to everybody. We'll put a link in the description if you want to go get one. We have an affiliate code on there. What I'm really curious about is how this thing works. Every time that a piece moves, you can hear some sort of mechanical movement underneath it. See that? It's moving and then it grabs something. It must have a magnet in it. Moves over and then it disconnects from it. And then there also needs to be some type of sensors inside that's a pressure sensor. Maybe there's like this half has a magnet that goes this way and this half has a magnet that goes that way. Who programs a chessboard to have like an artificial intelligence?
Yeah, there's like
really cool.
a lot of moves to chess.
Wait, where's that guy going?
Why are you going?
Where's that guy gone?
Wait,
What's happening? Where's he going? Oh, he did what you wanted him to do.
No.
It beeped twice. I think that means you lost. I think this is called checkmate, isn't it?
Oh, so I lost. Cool.
Do it, hit him. Oh, it's done. You lost. Checkmate. It's really an easy setup. You get it out of the box, you power it up, you download the app on here, and you're ready to go. These are the beautiful wood carved pieces. Listen to that. When you put your hand over it, you can feel all of the sensors on each one of these. It's like a little bump on there. These are magnetic. We have a hatchet with 32.
31 actually.
31. Wait, why is there 31? Do you
Because I
have?
hit one. What, are you gonna hit it with all of them?
That is the plan, to hit this on here. How many of these are gonna fall off? 32 pieces, one massive bicep.
Yes.
Slamming this down.
Okay,
on this
I'm
board.
getting out of here.
Okay, Lincoln, you can move for safety reasons. Oh, they all just went flying. Every single one. The only ones that lasted were 2 pawns. That was fun hitting it. Oh, this is built stronger than I thought. Whoa, we're getting in. Why is it so fun taking things apart? Like, it really is. You learn so much about it. I don't know, it's just like you get a different perspective of things. Right there. Maybe if I turn it this way, we can look in there.
Oh, whoa.
Look at that moving.
I knew it. See, it's right in the middle.
There we go.
It's dead center.
This is one of those electrical magnets that only it'll like send power to it when it needs to have a charge.
Nope. Oh, yeah,
It's not very strong. Oh, it's really strong now. Oh, that's strong. Oh, it's moving. Now it's not as strong anymore. So it does have like a difference in the magnetic strength based off of when it's moving.
Whoa.
Did you feel the difference in the strength?
Yeah, big difference.
There we go. It's a magnet. That's really cool. There's the inside there. Just pull that whole thing off.
Hey! Square off! Square off!
Look, Lincoln.
Wait, I can't see.
Oh, no. This belt goes around and helps move it around. And then you have one little cable right here that connects to the power. This is the computer, right? Maybe it's this chip right here, this little chip. I bet it's that one right there. That keeps, it's like the artificial intelligence that's keeping track of everything that's going on, every move, where all the pieces are. Level 1 to 20, changes how hard it is. Really, really cool. Okay, heads up. Oh, that worked!
Whoa.
See, that is the tool for everything. Look at this.
Now you really have the force. Everybody clap your hands.
Here's our board. Here's all of the different sensors on the bottom. You can see that this runs into here and connects to every one of the lines. I don't know how these sensors work, but this is very similar to what was in the Music Machine with Andrew Huang.
Well, I heard something.
I think this is a different piece.
What?
It like morphed into something else. Oh, it's over there.
What? What?
No, that's a different one.
What happened?
No, nothing really smart to this one. It basically is just metal on the bottom and it just connects to it. There's no brains inside of each one of these, although they are carved, hand carved and made out of wood. Super cool board. The name of it is Square Off. If you're interested in getting one of these, they did send it to us and give us an affiliate code down below.
Everybody clap your hands. No, they're gonna notice I've sat in that same seat for so many videos.
I don't know.
Yeah, and he's saying,